You just set the alarm off.
Oh, really? Shit. All right with me.
Hey, man, appreciate the demo. Use discount code JACOBVILE when you shop at Down for Sound, Sky High Car Audio, and others. All right. Are these 12s?
12. U-Series 12.
U-Series, okay. And where's your amp?
Backseat. I can show you.
Okay. All right. What's going on, everyone? This is Jacob Vile. I hope you enjoyed the full walk around we just got of his system. Pretty impressive to see 212 setting some alarms off. You're going to see in the demo and at the end the vehicle that was going off just from playing his system. Well, pretty much how loud these 212s were. So if you haven't already, give him a like. He did a good job showcasing it at the Team Deadly Hurt show in Virginia in 2021 is where I recorded this system at. And I hope you're enjoying the videos so far. So he has a prefab box, I noticed. Not the most efficient box, but it got the job done. I'm going to assume it's a prefab by the size. I've usually seen 212s being a little bit bigger box than that, but that got the job done. And he didn't tell us how powerful the amp was, but this is a 2,000 watt RMS amplifier from Audio Pipe on the left. And it's a 2,000 watt peak power 4-channel Autotech amplifier. He was pushing for his mids and highs. Noticed during the demo that he had a really good balance of music quality with the bass, so it wasn't just distorted, and you could hear all the lyrics with the way the door pods were set up. So he has 1,500 watt RMS subwoofers, so definitely underpowered on this amplifier, but it did get the job done, and it was setting some alarms off. So I do have a question for everybody. If you've ever set an alarm off, let us know in the comments. Have you ever set any kind of alarm off from bass subwoofer playing? I know I have a few times, and it was fun at first, and then after a while you think, man, you might get in trouble from it. But anyway, we're going to get to the car audio bass demo now. If you haven't already, consider subscribing for daily car audio videos coming your way every day, and enjoy. Pretty impressive. Look at the demo. All right. I told my young skip it up, she got to do the same thing from it in my Krueger-Rich. No hesitation if a nigga wanna bring the hand playing, I'ma show the goods. Bible is for me, running on the edge. Couple niggas down for the dirty bag. Count alone, I'm never out phone, no nine time to call up. Push a nigga, you a hoe, but when phone call wrong, you gon' have to show us. 50 for the what, 50 for the what, 50 for the hit, man, too. Put a fade on your head, little boy, let me show you what it is, man. I said, hold on, fam, I can get it back. I might fuck that pussy, but my kiss the ass. Gave a couple bands to the trigger man. Told him kill him all, tell him get him back. Nigga put him on the shirt, make him miss his ass. Cold boot type bitch with no middle man. How they put the sense on the man right. Took a couple L, we up my head high. Had to focus on my future in my brain.
I've been having bad dreams, I've been seeing Freddy going bad. I told my young step it up, she gotta do the same thing for me and my color kid. No hesitation if a nigga wanna pop it, how you playing, I'ma show the kids. Power is the law, what I wanna end. Couple niggas on for the day bad. Good Lord, I'll never ever fold up, now time to go up. Push nigga, you a hoe, but when folk call wrong, you gon' have to show us. 50 for the white, 50 for the one, 50 for the heat, man, too. Put a fake on your head, little boy, gotta show you what it is, man. That's a hard of fat, why they get it bad? I might fuck that pussy, but my kiss it ass. Gave a couple bands to the trigger man. Told him kill him all, time to get him back. Put him on the shit, let them miss his ass. Home gon' transact with no little man. I done put the season on the red light. Took a couple L with your man. Focus on my future, get my bread right. Smoking out the toilet, keep my head high. Spinning when I'm fit.
You just set the alarm off.
Oh, really? Shit. All with me.
Hey man, appreciate the demo.
Oh, yeah, no problem.
Hey,
Appreciate
what
you.
about your battery? Is there a battery alternator?
Big 3 upgrade.
Big 3, that's it? Stock
yeah.
up? Okay, appreciate it.
No
Just
problem.
curious. You have a good day, man.
All right, you too.
Thank you for watching, everybody, as well as thank you channel supporters. If you want to become a channel supporter, check out the links in the description to show support, as well as thank you everybody for supporting the channel. Also, if you haven't already, use discount code JACOVILE when you shop at Sky High Cardio, Explicit Audio, and others. And also, if you haven't already, check me out. I am on social media, Facebook, Instagram, TikTok, and YouTube, as you are seeing here. Go ahead and hit that like button if you haven't already. I really appreciate it. And subscribe. Stay tuned for more daily videos, and I'll see y'all in the next one.